In the FX squadron, taking a look at the June euro currency futures, which after spiking almost a half of 1% on March 20th, dropped 4 of the last 5 sessions, down 1.5% from its March 21st high, and is currently struggling with its 200-day moving average, looking prepared to close below it for the second time in 4 sessions. On the high today, 108.73.5. That was only at 4 basis points, so just barely above the flat line. But on the low, 108.34.5, we were down over 0.2%. We finished down a little bit more than 0.1% as of the New York close. Now, again, today it's looking to close below its 200-day moving average for the second time in 4 sessions. However, in this case, the 200 is pretty flat. So it's not as powerful of a support or resistance factor as it is when it's angled in one direction or the other. This could, however, very easily turn into a reversal of the rally that started on the low close of February 13th, where the euro finished up 2.23% on that March 20th close. The euro is still up 0.1% on the week and 0.4% on the month as we come to the end of March. EU data today was better, but still on the weak side. EU consumer confidence was better than last month, but still negative. Economic sentiment better than last month, which was in line with expectations. And industrial sentiment was better than expected and better than the last read, but still negative. So very much a mixed bag in terms of EU economic data. And then you look at yields today in the US versus the US dollar. The dollar was stronger against all the majors except for the Japanese yen. And that might have had something to do with yields falling again in the US everywhere except for the 2-year, which was up about 1 basis point on the yield side of things. 5-year to 30-year was down between 4 and 5 basis points. So overall, the euro kind of lined up with the rest of the majors against the US dollar finishing the day slightly lower.